Hello, this is Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. I wanted to do a really quick video recap of our trade, ticker symbol NKE, Nike. We've actually been in this trade for about 2 weeks or so, and I'll let you know what we were playing. We were banking on this being somewhat of a double top. I was looking at, all right, couple of things. I haven't done a video in a bit because there hasn't been much out there in regards to trades. Again, like I've been stating on my watch list, I haven't really seen many trades on the long side. The things that have been setting up really were like short trades, and with the markets acting a little bit funky, I felt a lot safer taking short trades, at least within the past 2 weeks, versus long trades. So right now what you're looking at is a daily chart for the past 12 months. Really simple. We were looking to catch the double top. 52-week high was 60.33. If this was like a raging bull market, again, if we were in a very continuous solid bull market, and you know, the past 2 weeks, I sent out a letter or a memo to my subscribers, both free and paid, indicating that the market was looking a little bit wobbly. The market at this point was around 248. I'll release that video to the general public at some point, but for now, back to this video. So the simple fact that I thought the market was looking a little bit toppy, I didn't want to take on too many long positions. And my long positions, really since the beginning of the second quarter, since the beginning of the third quarter, hasn't really been playing out the way it was in the second quarter. So as opposed to looking to play the breakout on the 52-week high of 60.33, I said, let's play that as our resistance level and let's look to short as close to that level as possible. So the stock gapped up, and for a couple of days or for a while, it kept hitting or getting close to that 60.33 level, but it had a very hard time penetrating. We did penetrate that level on 2 occasions. On 8.3, couldn't sustain that, and on 8.4 couldn't sustain that. And on 8.4, that's actually when my alert went out, when we couldn't sustain this 60.33 breakout. And I said, well, good levels to short obviously would be anywhere from 60.20, and I gave it a little bit of room above resistance, 61. So those were kind of like my sell zones. And my target, our stop obviously was placed a little bit above 61, but our target was kind of modest, again, because while the market was looking a little bit toppy, you know, you could expect anything when the market is kind of like topping out. You could have like, you know, sort of like that blow off top, which I don't believe we've seen yet, and we can possibly still see it. So I kind of wanted to, you know, lock in profits, not at your typical 9%, but around the 6% mark. So our initial target was 57, I believe, somewhere around there. And yesterday, we actually closed at 57.46. So we got very close to our target. I'm pretty sure some folks were locking in profits around that point, but we were still in the trade. And then we woke up this morning and we had, and I believe it had a lot to do with Foot Locker's earnings, we had a beautiful gap. We had a beautiful gap down, and a low of 54.17. So from an entry of 60.20 to a low of 54.17, we hit about plus 6 points on this trade, meaning for every share that you own, you earned $6. If you were able to buy a modest 100 shares, you made $600 in the span of what? I don't know, less than 10 trading days. So again, those are odds that I like. So that's it. Short Me Tina, shortmetina.com. Head on over to my website, sign up, join our community. Third quarter kind of had a little bit of a rocky start, but that's more so because the market was, in my opinion, not necessarily rotating, but it's changing. I'm not sure if that we're going to continue rising up. I do believe that further downside is in the cards for us. And it started playing out yesterday, played out some today. And it's not something that's necessarily new to me. We've been a bit defensive for the past 2 months. We are in a couple of defensive stocks. We've been short the market really since it hit 240, and again when it hit around 247, 248. But I'll talk about those trades in another video. Short me Tina, shortmetina.com. Thanks for listening, and once again, as always, thank you for the support.